GMA has become the trusted global leader in industrial garnet. With a 35-year track record of supplying high-performing abrasives and helping customers to maximize garnet blasting performance. Drawing on this experience, we have developed a 3-part series that will show you how optimizing blast performance can be as easy as ABC. Part A explains why it is important to select the right abrasive for your project's specific requirements. Part B shows how blasting equipment can affect the overall efficiency of your blast operation. And Part C demonstrates the correct technique to achieve optimal blast performance. Following these simple guidelines will help you achieve a more efficient and effective blast operation. Part A: the importance of selecting the right abrasive. The technical specification and substrate type should influence your abrasive selection. In general, it is more efficient to use the finest abrasive that can deliver the surface profile required, as this will contribute to the efficiencies throughout the blasting operation. Having the correct anchor profile, coating type, and thickness will ensure long-lasting protection. Depending on the subsequent coating system, specified surface profiles for carbon steel substrates typically range up to 150 microns. Most abrasives produce an uneven surface profile, which is often exacerbated by abrasive embedment, requiring more primer to cover rogue peaks and fill deeper troughs. As primers are usually quite thin in consistency, they are not suitable for high build applications. If the primer is applied too thickly, it is not only costly, delamination may occur, affecting the integrity of the coating. Unlike other blasting abrasives, GMA Garnet provides a consistent, uniform surface profile that allows an even primer thickness and lowers overall costs. GMA Garnet also leaves a cleaner surface, minimizing the risk of coating failure. Finally, it is important to always store your garnet in a sheltered location to keep it dry, as moisture in your garnet can cause blockages in your blast pot. In this first video of our 3-part series, we explained why it is important to select the right abrasive for your project's specific requirements. Selecting the finest garnet grade that will meet the technical specification, preventing substrate contamination and abrasive embedment. A uniform anchor profile and clean surface will ensure a long-lasting coating system. And it is important to ensure your garnet stays dry for an effective blast operation. In our next video, Part B will be demonstrating how adjusting your blast equipment can improve your overall performance. Optimizing blast performance can be as easy as ABC. Selecting the right garnet abrasive, blast equipment, and ensuring the correct blast technique will help you perform an efficient and effective blast operation. GMA, more than just garnet.